over. Come on, roll over. Yay, Wade! Good job. Now, can you say Dada or Mama? Good job, little boy. Yay! You did such a good job. Alrighty, you guys witnessed it. Wade's rolling over. All by himself. Can you say hi? Oh, and drooling. All over his toys. Say hi. Wade, can you look up? Oh, thank you. Yay! We've got a flipper.